First, we'll start with a cartoon. That's what weavers call a picture we follow as we weave. In this project, you'll learn to weave a checkered pattern, sloping shapes for the hills, sumac, a little house, and color blending for the sky. And after we weave the scene, we'll take it off the loom and use embroidery stitches to add texture and colorful, fun details. All of the yarn you need can be purchased in my shop, but you don't have to use exactly the yarn I do. You can use other yarns that are similar in weight to what I use. As for the loom, I use the Sheila loom that I sell in my shop. But you don't have to use the same loom I do. I have several reference lessons that guide you through choosing a lap loom and using different looms for this course. How long does the course last? There's no time limit, and you can go through the lessons at your own pace, as quickly or slowly as you want. If you have questions while you're learning, you can contact me, and I'm happy to help. I love bringing the peaceful meditation and fun of weaving to you. My hope is that you'll never want to leave this weaving world and find your own path. Happy weaving!